Hey everyone, welcome back to the Declarative Academy. Today, we're diving into a vital Salesforce topic, data security. Understanding how to control data access is key to keeping your Salesforce org secure while ensuring that your team has the information they need to do their jobs efficiently. In this video, we'll break down the 4 levels of data access control in Salesforce and explore the tools you can use to monitor and audit data use. So, if you're ready to lock down your data and boost your security skills, let's dive in. Here's what you can expect from today's video: the importance of data security, why data access control matters, 4 levels of data access, how Salesforce structures data access at the organization, object, field, and record levels, controlling data access in Salesforce, tools for securing your data, auditing system use, monitoring access with Salesforce's built-in auditing features. Let's kick things off by understanding why data security is essential in any Salesforce setup. Data security isn't just about keeping sensitive information safe from outside threats. It's about ensuring the right people inside your organization have access to the right data. Salesforce's data access controls allow admins to provide access without compromising security, ensuring the right balance between accessibility and privacy. Think of a large company where you have different teams, each needing different levels of data access. Your HR team, for example, needs access to employee information, but not necessarily sales data, while your finance team might need a view into both. Salesforce's data access model ensures each team only has access to the information they need. Salesforce controls data visibility at 4 levels: organization, object, field, and record. Each level is part of a layered security model that lets you fine-tune access across the entire org. Let's go through each one. First up, we have organization-level security. This includes the fundamental security controls for your Salesforce org, such as setting password policies, defining session settings, and limiting logins to specific IP addresses or timeframes. This level is like the outermost security layer for your org, setting basic requirements that apply to everyone, such as requiring strong passwords or restricting access by location. Next, we have object-level security, which defines what users can do with different types of data in Salesforce, such as accounts, contacts, or opportunities. These permissions are set within profiles and permission sets. Profiles assign default permissions based on a user's role. Permission sets allow you to add or adjust access beyond what's specified in the profile, making it easy to grant additional access when needed. For example, your sales team might need access to opportunities, but your marketing team may only need access to contacts. Profiles and permission sets make it easy to manage these different access levels. Moving down, we have field-level security, which lets you control access to individual fields within an object. Even if users can see a record, they may not need access to all its fields, especially sensitive ones, like salary or social security numbers. Field-level security settings within profiles and permission sets allow you to hide fields or make them read-only based on user roles. This is essential for protecting sensitive data while still allowing users to view relevant information. Finally, we have record-level security, which controls access to individual records within an object. Even if users can view an object, record-level security determines which specific records they can see or edit. Here's a quick breakdown of the key tools for managing record-level access. Organization-wide defaults, OWD, set the baseline for data access. For example, you might make accounts public read-only, so everyone can view them but only the owner can edit them. Role hierarchies. This structure lets you grant access to records owned by users in lower roles within the hierarchy. Sharing rules. These are used to open up record access to users who wouldn't otherwise have it based on the OWD settings. Manual sharing. If you need flexibility, record owners can manually share records on a case-by-case basis. For example, If a sales manager needs access to all the opportunities the team is working on, role hierarchies make this access possible without adjusting the OWD. Once you have the levels of access set, it's time to look at additional tools Salesforce provides to secure data effectively. Each of these tools, profiles, permission sets, role hierarchies, and sharing rules, gives you control over who can access what and at what level. Combining these tools allows you to create a nuanced security setup, which is especially helpful in larger organizations. Now, let's talk about auditing tools. Monitoring who's accessing what data and when is essential for detecting any unusual activity and verifying that data access policies are being followed. Every Salesforce record includes fields that store information about who created the record and who last modified it. This provides a quick way to see who has accessed or changed a record, giving you visibility into key interactions. Login history. The login history feature records both successful and failed login attempts. Reviewing login history can alert you to unusual patterns, like failed logins, which may indicate unauthorized access attempts. Field history. Tracking. Field history. Tracking lets you track changes made to individual fields on a record. This feature is ideal for sensitive data points, like status updates or contact information, allowing you to review changes over time. Setup Audit Trail. Lastly, the Setup Audit Trail records any configuration changes within Salesforce. This includes modifications to profiles, permissions, and sharing rules. Regularly reviewing the Setup Audit Trail helps you catch any unauthorized or unintended changes early. Before we wrap up, let's review some best practices to keep your Salesforce org secure. Enforce strong password policies to protect user accounts. Limit login access by IP address and time to control where and when users can log in. Apply the principle of least privilege, giving users only the access they need. Audit regularly to ensure your security settings are being followed. Use permission sets and sharing rules wisely. Simplifying settings reduces the chance of errors. Implementing these best practices will help you maintain a secure Salesforce environment that balances security and efficiency. Quiz time. Let's test your knowledge with a quick quiz. Question 1. You can configure access to data at all of the following levels, except A. Organization, B. Objects, C. Page layouts, D. Records. The correct answer is C. Page layouts. Page layouts control the layout of fields in a record, not data access. Question 2. Which of these is not a method for controlling record-level access? A. Organization-wide defaults. B. Role hierarchy. C. Profiles. D. Sharing rules. The correct answer is C. Profiles. Profiles control object-level access, not record-level access. Thanks for joining me on this journey through data security in Salesforce. A secure data model is built on thoughtful access controls and regular auditing. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Salesforce tips from the Declarative Academy. Happy trailblazing!